Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how you can track changes and collaborate in Microsoft 365 Word. So first up, open your Microsoft Word, and here I'm going to select the document that I want to use in this sample. So this is the sample document. So the very first thing to basically share a document is basically go to the file option at the top left hand corner of your screen. And here you want to select the share option. Once you click on the share button, as you can see an option pops up. So if your file is not already saved to OneDrive, you'll be prompted to upload your file to OneDrive to share it. So we're going to click on OneDrive to basically first upload this document to your OneDrive account. So once your document is uploaded to OneDrive, as you can see here, you'll find an option. So basically, we have here like you can basically enter the email address, the name or group to whom you want to send this document. So basically, you just need to type here your email to collaborate, and then you can share this thing through Outlook, or you can even copy the link to send it to others to basically collaborate with this document. So for example, if you're going to click on this share button, then an option here, you want to just basically you can send some Word document or another PDF files. But in this case, I'm going to use this document and try to write here the email address where I want to send this document. So basically just type the email address, name or group right over here. And then once done, you can type the name right from here. You can basically type any message that you want. So for example, I want to type, please edit this document. And then here you can basically click on the send button to send to the email address, or you can basically copy the link. Now here you can also change the link settings. So share the link with if you want anyone or just specific people. Now at the bottom, you'll find more settings. You will find here if you want to send it, can edit or can view only. Now you can add a calendar to this one. So you need to go premium to basically access the feature, and you can set password. Now in this case, I just want to let this option here, settings, and click apply. And once done, I can basically send it directly to Outlook or email, or I'm going to click on copy link. Now in this case, I'm going to click on copy button. And here you can also change the link settings if you want. And if you're okay, you can basically just copy. So this is the link that you need to copy. So you just need to control C or just click on the copy button, and you can send it to any of your social media accounts or email where you want to send this document. Now, as a receiver, as you can see here, once I receive, for example, this link, so what you're going to do, just click on the link right over there, and you will be basically open up your browser. So after you share your document, you can work on that file at the same time with others. So for the best experience, you can work together in Word for the web and see real-time changes. So once other open up your document, they can basically edit this one and make some changes. Now on your end, if you're going to look back on your Word app, basically here you will find that your friend or others are actually editing your file. So you can go here on file at the top left and click on share. And here at the bottom, you will find here or you will see the names of who else is also editing the file. So as you can see here on share with, you will find that I have two members that actually editing this document and have an access to customize or edit this one. So as you can see here, you will find a color flag. So it shows you exactly where each person is working in the document. So for example, I'm going to edit the document here. So for example, I just want to type any random text. So this is just a sample. Now, going back to the main account, So as you can see, you will find the person is working in the document. So basically, you just need to wait for a few minutes here to basically see all the changes on the documents. Now, to track and review changes on the document, just click on here, which is review section at the top, and find the option which says track changes. So you will find here, right here, as you can see, we have option if you want to track for everyone or just mine. So if we're going to track for everyone or everyone who makes some changes, then you will find here their changes. So there you go. So basically, if an option shows up here, just need to accept to keep the change or reject to remove it. Or you can basically lock tracking, just enter the passcode right from here. So yeah, there you go. So that's how you track changes and collaborate in Microsoft 365 Word. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.